Halifax Share Dealing App. The pros, the cons. Halifax Share Dealing is one of the UK's established trading platforms, but does the app meet modern investor expectations? Starting with the pros first, reliability. Backed by a major UK bank, Halifax offers a secure and trustworthy platform for trading. Second, range of investments. You can trade stocks, ETFs and funds all in one place, making it versatile for different investment strategies. Third, research tools. The app provides market insights, news and analysis to help users make informed decisions. Now, the cons. One drawback is fees. While competitive for occasional traders, frequent investors may find charges higher than other UP brokers. Another limitation is the interface. While functional, it can feel dated and less intuitive compared to newer, modern apps. The surprising truth? Halifax Share Dealing is solid for long-term investors and beginners, but may not satisfy active traders seeking advanced features. In conclusion, the pros: reliability, diverse investment options, and research tools make Halifax Share Dealing a dependable choice. The cons: fees and a dated interface may be limiting for more tech-savvy investors.